If you're looking to gain weight, a combination of weightlifting and adequate calorie consumption is key. Incorporating compound exercises such as squats, deadlifts, and bench press into your workout routine can help build muscle mass. It's also important to make sure you're consuming enough calories and nutrients to support muscle growth. A diet high in protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats can aid in weight gain. Additionally, it's important to give your body enough rest and recovery time to repair and grow muscle tissue. Consult with a fitness professional to develop a personalized workout and nutrition plan to help you reach your weight gain goals. 1. Squats. Squats are a compound exercise that works multiple muscle groups, including the quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. They are considered one of the best exercises for gaining muscle mass and strength. To perform squats, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and your toes pointing forward. Slowly lower your body as if you were sitting back into a chair, keeping your back straight and your knees behind your toes. Push through your heels to return to the starting position. 2. Deadlifts. Deadlifts are another compound exercise that works multiple muscle groups, including the glutes, hamstrings, and back. They are an excellent exercise for building overall strength and muscle mass. To perform deadlifts, stand with your feet hip-width apart and your toes pointing forward. Bend down and grasp the barbell with an overhand grip, keeping your back straight and your chest out. Stand up, lifting the barbell and squeezing your glutes at the top of the movement. 3. Bench press. The bench press is a classic exercise that targets the chest, shoulders, and triceps. It's an excellent exercise for building upper body strength and muscle mass. To perform the bench press, lie on a flat bench with your feet flat on the floor. Grasp the barbell with an overhand grip and lower it to your chest. Push the barbell back up to the starting position. 4. Barbell rows. The barbell row is an excellent exercise for targeting the muscles of the back, including the lats, rhomboids, and traps. To perform a barbell row, stand with your feet hip-width apart and bend forward at the hips, keeping your back straight. Grasp the barbell with an overhand grip and pull it towards your chest, squeezing your shoulder blades together at the top of the movement. 5. Standing military press. The standing military press is an excellent exercise for building upper body strength and muscle mass. To perform the standing military press, stand with your feet hip-width apart and grasp the barbell with an overhand grip. Press the barbell overhead, fully extending your arms at the top of the movement. 6. Pull-ups. Pull-ups are an excellent exercise for targeting the muscles of the back and biceps. To perform a pull-up, grasp the pull-up bar with an overhand grip and pull your body up towards the bar, keeping your elbows close to your body. 7. Barbell curls. Barbell curls are an excellent exercise for targeting the biceps. To perform a barbell curl, stand with your feet hip-width apart and grasp the barbell with an underhand grip. Curl the barbell up towards your chest, squeezing your biceps at the top of the movement. 8. Lateral raises. Lateral raises are an excellent exercise for targeting the shoulders. To perform a lateral raise, stand with your feet hip-width apart and grasp dumbbells with your palms facing each other. Raise the dumbbells out to your sides, keeping your elbows slightly bent. 9. Upright rows. Upright rows are an excellent exercise for targeting the shoulders and upper back. To perform an upright row, stand with your feet hip-width apart and grasp the barbell with an overhand grip. Pull the barbell towards your chin, keeping your elbows close to your body. 10. Leg press. The leg press is an excellent exercise for targeting the quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. To perform a leg press, sit in the leg press machine and place your feet on the platform. In conclusion, gaining weight requires a combination of consistent weightlifting and a calorie-sufficient diet. Incorporating compound exercises into your workout routine and focusing on consuming enough protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats can aid in muscle growth. It's also important to allow for adequate rest and recovery time. Remember to consult with a fitness professional to develop a personalized plan that suits your needs and goals. With the right approach and effort, you can successfully gain weight and build the muscle mass you desire.